How to sell your own product on Fouthwall. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own product on Fouthwall. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Fouthwall, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Fouthwall, it is an innovative platform designed to empower creators, artists, and entrepreneurs by providing them with the tools to launch their own professional online shops without the burden of upfront costs or monthly fees. And Fouthwall facilitates the sale of a wide range of customizable products including retail quality, merchandise, and digital goods, allowing creators to focus on artistic work while Fouthwall manages logistics such as product quality, customer support, and sales tax compliance. And also the platform operates on a flexible pricing model where creators can set their own margins. And now to create an account, you can click the Start Now button on the top right corner or the link in the description below, and you will be directed on this page where you can log in using your Google account, YouTube, Twitch, and email address in here. After signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard of Fouthwall.com, in which it will show you on the website panel some of the options including home, orders, products, promotions, membership, and many more. But from here, to start selling your own product on Fouthwall, just click the products button in the left side panel and click the create new product in here on the top right corner button, in which on this pop-up window it will show you that you can also select design something new, which is a print on demand, or sell something that you have, which is this one, and that's also the choices that we're going to use. But you could also select digital product if you have a digital product in here. But upon clicking this one, we will automatically be directed on this page where you can simply fill out all of the required information including the product details, starting to the title or the product name in here. For example, I'm going to enter here sample product, and below just simply enter the description where you can make it bold, italic, underline, and many more. Or you could also enter here the link. And below that, we have here edit additional sections, and upon clicking on it, you can simply enter here additional sections and enter including title and also the description of it, and more details of section in here if you want to. But at this point, we're not going to fill out this kind of section or additional section in here. Now going back in here on this page, below we could also add or create our own selling parts in here. For example, for the product that we own, we're going to sell this amounting to $50. And you could also add a comparing it price in here, which is a marketing strategy. For example, I'm going to enter here amounting to $100 US. And below you could also enter under the shipping section the weight of this product that you have or the product that you are selling. Let's say I'm going to enter the weight 1.5 and the unit I'm going to choose kg. And below you could also select when this product be shipped. And I'm going to use here from 3 days to 10 days in here. And after filling out this part, you could also scroll down below here under the section of photography and design in here, where you can upload or drag and drop images from your computer files. But for instance, I'm going to upload here this kind of shoes that I'm going to sell. Then just proceed by clicking add photo button if you are now done uploading a new photo or cropping the image in here. And after that, you will be able to see the result of the photo of the product in here. And you could also mark under inventory this sold out or this product has an identification code if the product that you are selling has this kind of attributes. But if you're not done filling out the required information, just click this one, hidden, and to make it public, just click the public and click the save button to proceed. But at this point, let's say we're going to choose hidden and click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes that we just created. And after that, you could also see here under the section or the title of new product, this link, and if you click on it, you will be directed on the next tab, and this is basically what it looks like. So it will show you in here all of the details about the product that we just customized earlier. However, at this point, it says here new product. So if you also want to start customizing it once again, you can do so by clicking or navigating again under this product details to start customizing this one. And if you also want to add new product, just do again the same process of going to all product section in here. And after that, just click create new product button on the top right corner. And you could also choose, for example, sell digital product if you own a digital product and you want to sell it in here. Then just simply fill out all of the required information, but at this point, you also need to input or upload the files that will be sent to the buyer after it has been purchased and the payment has been sent. But again, if you go to this product section, you'll not be able to see here that the product has now been added. But to proceed again, you can simply start customizing this one, including to start changing the product name. For example, I'm going to enter here, Nike shoes. And as you can see, upon customizing the product name in here, you will be able to see here that by clicking the save button on the top right corner, the updated URL will show up. Then just click update URL if you want to, and click this kind of link in here. And again, you will be directed on this page. And let's say you're a customer. And if you try to click this new product, and upon clicking the add to cart button, we'll be able to check out in here. It shows us the corresponding prices. And by clicking the checkout button, all we need to do in here as a customer or buyer is to simply fill out all of the required information in here, including the information, shopping details, and payment details. Well, on the right side panel, it will show us the total amount, the taxes included, and the subtotal of the item. But from here, going back on this page, if you also want to start customizing your site, you simply click the site design button on the left side panel. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page where you can start customizing, including the layout, the style, pages, and theme of this page. So under the layout, we can change the home page, the header section, the sidebar, featured collection, footer section, and many more. Well, under the style, we have here logo and identity, where we can upload or drop a logo in here, customize the colors and appearances, including to start customizing the primary color in this page, or in this website, and even the secondary color in here, and the background color that we prefer by selecting on this palette color. So basically, you can customize all of that or all of this style under this on the left side panel on the editing tools. You can also change the theme in here if you want to by selecting the theme that you prefer in here. Moving on, aside from customizing the website, going back on this page, you could also start adding some of the details, including under the settings option. To customize or add the payment details, we can simply go to this section under checkout. And from here, we can choose to accept PayPal as an option, accept buy now, pay later, and choose our local currencies in here that you prefer, and even add the email frequency if you want to. But going back in here on the left side panel, we could also click this billing and payouts, where we can set up our payouts in here. By simply clicking this button, we'll automatically be directed on the next page, where all we need to do is to simply enter or fill out all of the required information, starting by entering our email address on this page in here. So you basically need to fill out all the details in order to add your payout details. And aside from that, going back on this page, once again, you could also add a payment method by clicking this button. And on this pop-up window, you can choose to add your credit or debit card number, or choose the PayPal as your payment method by simply signing in to your PayPal account. And below, you can even add or set a monthly charge limit if you want to. And all of those details are included in selling your own product in here. So basically, that is just how you can sell your own product on Fouthwall. Thank you.